Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Anna and I'm a random stranger on the internet talking to you about beauty. So I know I'm doing Vlogtober and I haven't posted anything in like the weekend. I'm so sorry. Life just kind of got out of hand, but we're gonna try to recoup this and go back on with it. Also, my husband is cleaning the kitchen because he's a trooper. So if you hear any cluttering or noise back there, that's what's going on. All right, guys, it is time for our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yay! I really like the box this month. I thought it was just super cute. And the theme this month was Flaunt It. So it's supposed to be, what do they say? Let's start obsessing over what we love about ourselves. And so I guess it's supposed to be products that help you focus on that. All right. So I'm not very prepared for this, so we're just gonna go with it and do the best we can. The first product here, this is from Ipsy's online, and it's That's So Betty eyeshadow palette. Okay, the whole theme of this month was flaunted, but it's got a Betty Boop type of vibe to it. So this is the palette right here. Let's see if we can see it. Ooh, ring light. Right? I love the packaging. It's gorgeous. And then right here, these are the colors. I actually really love this palette. I haven't played with it yet, but it's mostly shimmers with like one matte pink. But I just think this is beautiful, like really beautiful. And I'm really looking forward to giving this a whirl and playing with it. The next item right here, this is the Touch in Sol No Problem Priming Water. I've heard a lot about this brand, but I've never tried it out. This is a really interesting, like, I don't know if you can see, but this is, it looks literally just like water, and it's got this package here, and you open it up, and I guess you add a dot, and it's supposed to act like a primer. It feels like water with a hair of silicone. It's super weird to me, but it's very light. So yeah, looking forward to trying that. This is from Jolie Spectra. It's a Jolie Spectra stick in the shade Stella. Now, I did look at this earlier. This is the packaging. I think it's fabulous. Look at that. So it's got this gold button. You press it and then it allows you to pop it up. And it is this gorgeous stick. I'll swatch it real quick for you. It's that right there. Now, I think this is absolutely beautiful. I think the packaging is beautiful. I think everything about this is lovely. But I know myself enough to know that I don't really like stick highlighters. I just, as beautiful as that is, and it blends out beautifully, I'm gonna give this away, not because of the product itself, but just because I know myself enough to be like, I won't use it. Like, I'll let it sit there and go to waste. So that was our third product. The fourth product right here, it is from Lovecraft Beauty, and it is a bronzing palette. That's the packaging. And then it's got these shades. And it's taped out actually really well, so I haven't really quite got it open yet, but it's got 3 shades: Cymbeline, Saniva, and Anita. So yeah, there you go. I'm not gonna lie, it's probably too dark for me, everything but this one, but we'll give it a try. We'll see how it goes. I just am so inherently white that it doesn't take a lot of product to work for me. All right, then we got a set of 3 Farrah, is it Farrah? It is 3 of their brushes right here. So we got a straight brush. I did not notice these are actually tipped in navy. That's beautiful. So I got that petite one there. This is a stippling brush. I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but these are actually like navy fade to black. I love that. Navy is one of my colors. And then this is the cheeky, so it's like a blush brush, but they're very soft. They're beautiful. I am sure I will be giving them a whirl and trying them out. And then let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so that's actually the last product this month is actually this right here. It is a Betty Boop little bag. It's got a little heart detail there. It's got her on the front, and then on the back is actually like sparkle metallics. Not sparkle metallics, good God. I need to get my brain in the game, you all. But it's got sequins on the back. So yeah, that was this month's box. I'd love to hear what you guys got. Comment down below. Go into the world, be fabulous, be you. Bye.